Imagine browsing the internet without opening a single tab. No endless searches. No clicking through 10 articles to find one answer. That's exactly what Perplexity's brand new Comet tool promises. And after trying it, I can tell you it completely changed the way I browse. So, what is Comet? Think of it as a personal research assistant that doesn't just search the web, it guides you through it. You ask a question, and instead of dumping results, Comet curates sources, summarizes key points, and keeps everything organized. Let's say you're planning a trip to Japan. Normally, you'd bounce between travel blogs, Reddit threads, and airline sites. With Comet, you just ask, what's the best 2-week itinerary in Japan under $2,000? Instantly, it pulls flight costs, hotel suggestions, and activity ideas. But Comet doesn't stop there. It has a feature called persistent memory, meaning it remembers your queries across sessions. You can literally say, now compare this with South Korea, and it pivots seamlessly. Traditional search engines just can't do that. I tested Comet side by side with Google and ChatGPT. Google was fast but cluttered. ChatGPT gave polished answers but sometimes lacked up-to-date info. Comet, on the other hand, blended both strengths, live data with structured conversational responses. Now it's not perfect. Sometimes Comet gets overly ambitious, cramming too much info into one thread. But the trade-off? Speed and clarity that I haven't seen anywhere else. The bigger question is this: if tools like Comet become mainstream. So here's my challenge for you. Try Perplexity's Comet for your next search and see if you go back to Google. Because I'll be honest, I haven't. And if you want to see how it stacks up directly against ChatGPT, I've got a video right here. Click that next, and let's settle the debate.